In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks with ease using a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started, these steps will help streamline your process in finding transactions within QuickBooks. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to open QuickBooks on your computer. You can access the QuickBooks website by typing in the URL or simply searching for it if you're not already familiar with the direct link. Once you've arrived at the main page, look toward the top of your screen. Here you'll find a search bar, which is your gateway to quickly finding the transactions you need. Click on the search bar when you're ready. This search function is incredibly useful and can save you a lot of time compared to scrolling through lists and menus manually. With the search bar open, you'll see an option for an advanced transaction search. Clicking on this will bring up more detailed search criteria, allowing you to narrow down what you're looking for. The advanced search function is designed to help you specify exactly what transactions you want to find, be it a specific invoice, payment, or any other financial record. Once you've clicked on Advanced Transaction Search, the next move is to click on the transaction type. This will present you with a list of transaction categories, such as invoices, sales receipts, payments, and others. This step is crucial because it allows you to filter your search to the specific type of transaction you're interested in. Choosing the correct category will streamline the process even further and bring up relevant results faster than a more generalized search would allow. After selecting the transaction type, the final step is to click on the Highlight option. This feature will help you draw attention to the most important aspects of the transactions you're reviewing. This is especially useful if you're comparing multiple transactions or need to spot errors or discrepancies at a glance. Highlights will make certain fields stand out, so you can quickly identify what's necessary without combing through every detail manually. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've mastered the basics of finding transactions in QuickBooks efficiently and effectively. This process is designed to save you time and make your work more manageable, no matter how large your transaction history might be. Remember, the key is in knowing how to use these features to tailor your searches to your specific needs, so don't be afraid to experiment with the advanced features available to you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy bookkeeping!